Racing just started. We have Professor Jones rushing up his multi-awardee. Miss Marshall is running by the rail. Dominatore comes next. Then followed now by Marino ng Tanglaw. Joe Emsgal, Silver Glow second last, while Dauntless is the early trailer. Racing down the backstretch. We have Miss Marshall by about 2 lengths. Professor Jones is right behind in second. Multi-awardees racing in third, and in fourth comes Marino ng Tanglaw. Moving up on the outside is Joe Emsgal. Silver Glow comes next. Dominatore second last, while Dauntless is still racing in last. And on the fourth turn, we have Miss Marshall enjoying a 2 lengths lead. Professor Jones in second. Multi-awardee Joe Emsgal moving up is Silver Glow. Marino ng Tanglaw comes next. Then followed by Dominatore, while Dauntless is still racing in last. And Diana entering the home stretch. We have Miss Marshall, Professor Jones, Silver Glow now rushing up on the outside with about 100 meters of the race. Silver Glow now takes command, running by the rail. Professor Jones, then multi-awardee, and finally Silver Glow. Professor Jones, multi-awardee, Miss Marshall, then comes Joe Emsgal.
Alright, only the third choice, Sabentanyan, Silver Glow, crossing the wire first, ridden by J.B. Hernandez. Masisigunto yung 5, Professor Jones, multi-awardee, Miss Marshall, then Joe Emsgal. 1-5.